Hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning whenever seeing this video. So we are live. सबको नमस्ते, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Let's start today's session and let me share my screen first. Yep. So let me reload the session. All right. So let's see where are we today. All right. Yesterday I told you that this is the selling zone, guys. Okay, and market didn't respected the selling zone on 4th March and gave a breakout picture. And although like this breakout didn't sustain and market fall up abruptly downwards, okay, then didn't fall till here. It took support from here, this buying region, and started moving in the higher highs from this position. So buyers started pushing the market from here to the top, and again it reached to the selling zone, although like it didn't touch the selling zone, but this is the selling area, right? And market faced a rejection from here, but this rejection is considered as a pullback to these buyers, and buyers shifted from here to here and took the market again it didn't sustain and get a pullback again, but buyers made another attempt in the up direction. So these buyers are shifted from here to here, and as you can see, the sellers uh, momentum is less than the buyers. Then buyers dominated and pushed the market in the third attempt to this uh, point. So this point is exactly same as this point, and market faced from this area. It faced a rejection, a huge rejection, but it didn't last long, and buyers protected their position over here. Although like if it should have fallen like this till here, but for some reason it didn't fall, that means sellers are not that much proactive at this area, and buy and market push and buyers push the market from here. So that means buyers gain more confidence in pushing the market. So this is the first attempt. Now buyers have the confidence to make the second attempt, and buyers made the attempt till, although like this is again this area where market start testing the buyers, but buyers made a strong momentum in the up direction. So this is exactly from here 7.3 to 7.6, or you can just see more than 2000 points move. but but the picture is right now here is that after this high, market went into the consolidation phase in the resting phase, or you can say that sellers got activated again. Although like these sellers are not activated here and here, but these sellers are activated again, got activated here, but they are not in they are not in strong numbers, as you can see, because if they are strong numbers then it should have fallen from here, right? So although like buyers are there in the market, like um, before this line and this zone is acting as a seller zone, but as of now you can just see the buyers are here. So they're less seller zone, or you can say less selling people over here, but buyers shifted from here to here to here to here and now here, and they're pushing the market in up direction. Although like this faced rejection from up direction, or it might be a false breakout for this, uh, so it didn't sustain, and market made some consolidation move, and then today market fall a lot of this is the area that buyers are protecting. This is the area where buyers are protecting, and it is shattered by this red candle. And as soon as this red candle closes, let me zoom out a picture a bit, zoom in a picture a bit. And as you can see, this is great candle in the downward direction. This is 4 hours candle. That means this candle and this candle, this follow-up candle of this is quite enough to panic these buyers out here, like who jumped after after this breakout, after this line breakout. They are panicking. Now what will happen if this candle, let me see what the time frame left. So still 2 hours left. If this candle crosses or closes somewhere here, then the panicness will be huge in these entire buying system, and sellers will get activate again, and they can, the chances are that they can take the market till down here. But that is not so easy, because for the from the 9th March, there are active buyers who are taking market from here, from all the way from bottom to here. That means they pushed the market 10,000 point, and 10,000 point is not a small number. They have pushed the market 15% high. So it's not easy that market will fall in a single attempt. It will test these buyers, so market may make some consolidation move here. And if buyers uh, gave the opportunity to sellers, that or the buyers are not interested in pushing the market in up direction, then slowly sellers start dominating the market, and market will crash or will come in the downward direction. If the first scenario is this, that this candle will close somewhere here, right? Second scenario is this candle will take a support from this buying zone and closes somewhere here, then the chances of market going in higher direction is quite high, because this is the this candle, by this candle there are a lot of sellers who got invited, and by this candle as well. And if this candle suddenly closes in up direction, then all these sellers who have their stop losses here, market can easily take the liquidity and will continue its original move in the up direction, original trend, right? That is in up direction. All right. So this is, so as of now, we will find the opportunity in the selling side, because this is the 4 hour candle, and we will trade in and 5 minute time frame. So the chances are that we can find an opportunity in the selling side is quite high. So we will look something like that only. Okay. All right. Right now, this is acting as a support. So we should avoid selling here. We will sell if it closes somewhere here, like if any candle closes somewhere. So right now there's no trading zone, so we have to avoid trading in Bitcoin. Although, like, if we came like at 6, then we should have, or in afternoon, then we should have this kind of momentum. But we came at 7, and that's fine. Now let's see what is happening at silver. We'll see what is happening at daily time frame. So at daily time frame, market uh, is in the selling side, and the chances that market will it will not take support from here, that is very um, that is not very obvious, or we can say that it is uh, out of scope as of now, because sudden buying support will come. It's quite um, not understanding, or quite absurd to me. So what market can do is market can take a support from here. So still market have around 5 more points to fall, and as you can see that the momentum is in the downward direction. So there is a high possibility, there is a huge possibility that market will continue its momentum and continue its trend and can cross till here, come till here. Because as of sudden taking the U-turn, although like with this kind of momentum, it's quite um, hard for the market to do so. Now, let me see what is happening at 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, the picture is also the same. Although like at 4 hour time frame, I can see the trend line from here to all the way here. Yeah, might be it will take a pullback till here, then starts falling. That might be a scenario. But or like you can see that this is taking a rejection from here at exactly here, but the right opportunity of buying is exactly at this area. So we'll see, we'll see how, although like I can see that market is moving in a channel, not exactly in a channel, but um uh can't say that it is in a channel, but yeah, this can be considered as a pullback as well. Like might be after this much of selling, sellers might start booking their profits, and that can lead to another pullback till here, and then market starts falling again. That might be the possibility, but for us, we have to observe the market for next 10 to 15 minutes, then we will decide where where we have to punch the trade. Because as of now, this is quite uh, difficult to understand the market, that how, although like our POV is in the downward direction, um, but as we can see that the market is taking support, so we can't do much about that, but we can follow some standard practice that if market is in the falling state, and what should we do is follow the trend, and the trend says that market will fall. Oh, that's a great opportunity, guys. For before this, I have to see what my stop loss looks like. It's 118 point. Um. Uh, okay. Should have sold it somewhere here. We missed this trade, guys. Missed the trade. We should have entered here, but by analyzing, we have missed the trade. Now let's wait. We will find the different trade. But this is a quite good trade that we missed, just missed. All right. Bitcoin also broke out this zone. Now it has to sustain. The point is that it has to sustain. Market reversed. Totally reversed, guys. This is unexpected. So what market did is these are the buyers, okay? They have their stop loss here, and after this much of buying what small buyers or retailers think that market will go in a higher high. So they jumped in. As soon as they jumped in, this candle formed and went in the downward direction, and which takes the stop loss of these recent buyers. Okay, and this candle came and grabbed the liquidity. Although this candle also invited sellers because this is quite good selling range, and I am also thinking about the same thing. And seller have their stop loss here. So what market did is market wiped out buyers. All right, wiped out buyer because their stop loss is here, and it is also wiping out the sellers as well. Now, whatever the market momentum it will think, we should try to jump with small quantity, then later on we can add once the confirmation is there. But with 500 quantity as well, the stop loss seems 200 points, which is too huge for me. So we'll see if the opportunity do really exist, or we are manifesting the opportunity, or sorry, we are just creating the opportunity. So 7697, 180 points. And what is that? 270 points. That is 150 points. All right. Right now, we will not jump in this candle. We will see and wait. What is this candle? 7697. What about Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin crossed this region. Uh, should have jumped here, but we are focusing on silver. 7 7. Okay. Missed the opportunity in Bitcoin. We'll wait for a pullback in Bitcoin. Otherwise, Our good entry must be here, 72148. Never mind. Yeah, that's what I am waiting for the entry, because market is at its this trend line and the trend line breakout should happen. That's what I am waiting for. So buyers are shifting from here to here to here. So they are trying to make the U reversal. But after this much of selling, the sudden reversal is a little bit difficult until unless they are big players. All right. This is also reversing. Silver also reversing. Silver has already crossed this 7 seconds to close this candle. If I jump with zero point 0.5 PTC, I'm coming, guys.